Welcome to the Daily Self-Care, the place where self-care is a lifestyle. Please like, comment, or subscribe to get more videos like this. Let's discuss self-care and ways to find or keep your joy after experiencing disappointment. Though disappointment is a common part of life, managing it can take a toll on our well-being. Here are some pointers for understanding and managing disappointment. Understand your feelings. Intense feelings are normal. Experiencing disappointment is a common part of the human experience. So that you can feel less alone, it's important to recognize that everyone faces setbacks and failures at various points in their lives. Give yourself permission to acknowledge and experience your emotions fully. Allow yourself to accept feeling disappointed. Suppressing emotions can often prolong the healing process. Recognize and accept your emotions without judgment. It's common to grieve during a period of disappointment. Disappointment often involves a loss of some kind, and grief is normal when there is a loss. It's okay to grieve the loss of what you once had hoped for, or expected. Focus on developing a resilient mindset. Developing resilience is essential for managing disappointment. Being resilient means that you bounce back from setbacks and adversity. You can become more resilient by practicing positive coping skills that include effective problem solving and self-care. Be flexible and adaptable in the face of disappointment. Flexible thinking allows you to see different possibilities and move on faster. Be willing to adjust your expectations and goals as needed, and remember that setbacks are often temporary. Learning and growth. Every setback can be a valuable learning tool. Think about whether there is anything to learn from the experience. You may get a morsel of wisdom about how you can approach similar situations differently in the future. Also, it can be hard, but try to view the situation from a different angle so that you can consider if there are any silver linings hidden in your disappointment. Sometimes, disappointments can lead to unexpected opportunities and personal growth. Be kind to yourself. Life happens to everyone, and if your disappointment was at least in part due to some fault of your own, do not engage in self-blame and harsh criticism. Change what can be changed. Then, focus on making better decisions moving forward. Remember, treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer to a friend going through a difficult time. Identify aspects of the situation that you have control over and take action where possible. Have greater inner peace by focusing on the things you can influence instead of thinking about what's beyond your control. Evaluate your expectations. Think about whether your disappointment was caused by unrealistic expectations of yourself, someone, or something. If so, one of the quickest things to do is to adjust your expectations moving forward so that you can avoid or better manage future disappointment. Practice gratitude. Focus on the positive aspects of your life. Acknowledge any good things in your life, no matter how small. Thinking about good things shifts your mindset away from disappointment and fosters resilience. Avoid dwelling on the past or worrying excessively about the future. Instead, focus on the present moment and engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment in the present. Stay present. Mindfulness practices can help you stay grounded and centered in the here and now. Meditation, yoga, or walking are good for mindfulness. Give yourself time to heal. There is no exact timeline on how long it will take you to heal, so be patient with yourself. Allow yourself the necessary time and space to process your emotions and recover from the disappointment. Trust that with time, you will gradually heal. When dealing with disappointment, practicing self-care is essential for maintaining emotional well-being and resilience. Here are some self-care pointers to consider. Prioritize self-care. Take care of your physical and emotional wellness. Identify your triggers. Triggers can be certain people, places, or things that cause you to feel intense, negative emotions. Limit your exposure to your triggers to decrease your feelings of disappointment. If your disappointment involves other people or external circumstances, consider setting boundaries to protect yourself from further harm. Boundaries can help you establish better relationships and prevent future disappointments. Increase your participation in activities that nurture your body and mind. Do things that inspire or motivate you. Pursue your passions, hobbies, or creative endeavors to channel your emotions into something constructive. Engaging in enjoyable activities can uplift your mood and provide much-needed distraction. Take care of your physical health by prioritizing nutritious meals, regular exercise, and adequate sleep. Physical well-being plays a crucial role in emotional resilience. Incorporate relaxation techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, grounding techniques, or muscle relaxation into your daily routine. These practices can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. Seek support if needed. Talking about your feelings with someone you trust can provide comfort, clarification, and validation. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals can help alleviate feelings of isolation and loneliness. Build a stable support system of trusted family and friends who you can confide in regarding your disappointments. Choose emotionally safe people who will not cause you to feel embarrassment or another negative emotion. If your disappointment lingers or intensifies, it may be a good idea to add a therapist or any counseling professional to your support system. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. Remember, you're amazing, and disappointment doesn't last indefinitely. Now, we'll close with some quick summary notes. Also, remember to try these self-care pointers to cope with disappointment. Here's to greater inner peace and resilience as you use these self-care suggestions to nurture your well-being during times of disappointment. If this video was useful in any way, please like, comment, or subscribe. And don't forget to visit the Quick Reference Code blog for related worksheets, checklists, and other printable materials.